morning, everybody. Thanks for joining me for the work week forecast as we head towards July 4th week. Hopefully this isn't a full week of work for you, although given everything that's been going on with COVID, who knows what a full week of work looks like for all of us. Anyways, as we take a quick look at what's going to happen this week, weather's going to be very different this week than it's been the last couple of weeks, in that we are really kind of in a soupy, trough-dominated pattern. We're going to talk about that. We're still in a blocking kind of pattern. We're just in a different place in the block. So as we start off with looking at the surface fronts, these are dew point temperatures, so you can see the real soup is down here over the southern 2/3 of the country and eastern part of the country, obviously. We are in the semi-soup up here in the northeast. There's also this surface low pressure system that's currently located in southern Connecticut. That system is cut off basically, or is in the process of cutting off, and is not going to move much over the next few days. Doesn't actually mean our weather's going to be like rain constantly, but it does mean there's going to be a lot of clouds. We're going to have quite a few showers, and that would actually be a good thing. And that also, it's going to take, we will see a few peaks of sun, but there's not going to be a lot of them. You can see there's quite a few showers in northern New Hampshire this morning. As we head out to the west, you can see there's some thunderstorms that popped up over the upper Midwest, and there is a couple of storm systems actually and some cool weather over the northern Rockies or northern United States Rockies. Anyways, let's take a look on satellite, because this is going to tell the story of what's really going to dominate our weather for the week. Notice we've got this big upper level low pressure system cutting off here over New England. You've got another one over the Pacific Northwest. And in between, you've kind of got a ridge. If you watched my blocking video a few days ago, you would be able to tell that this is what we call an omega block, which is different than the Rex block we had a couple weeks ago, but it's still a very blocky pattern. It's called an omega block because it looks like the Greek letter omega, which, if you're at all familiar with the Greek alphabet, essentially goes up like it kind of looks like a big old 10-gallon hat, 10-gallon cowboy hat. Anyways. So what happens in this? Same kind of thing. This pattern, the upper level pattern, is not really going to move. The surface low pressure system is going to get stuck here, basically over New England, and it's going to sit and spin. Now, as it sits and spin, it doesn't have much surface or much energy or upper level reinforcing energy. There's no temperature contrast, which is what storms usually need to keep going, happening. That's kind of dies out as the storm spins and just kind of makes the atmosphere into kind of one consistent temperature and dew point kind of setup. So anyways, what happens with that is eventually the storm starts to die out, the lift goes away, and so even though the storm continues to spin over the top of us, the clouds will dissipate. So the cloudiest and rainiest day will be today, and that will keep subsiding over the next couple of days until the storm finally starts to move out on Thursday and into Friday as well. So what does that look like on the week for our work week here? Basically, today is, like I said, the rainiest day. Today's the worst day for outdoor activities. It's not going to be rain all day. Matter of fact, it's obviously not raining right at the moment. But we could see pop-up showers basically anytime in the afternoon, a better chance for any kind of thunderstorm activity. None of the thunderstorms over the next several days should be severe. They could have some heavy rain quickly bursting down with them. Temperatures are going to be in the low 70s, and they're kind of going to be stuck in the same area from now through Wednesday. Might be slightly warmer on Wednesday than it is today, but basically tomorrow's there could be a few more breaks of sun tomorrow than there is today, but still, again, quite a few showers around. Same thing on Wednesday. A little bit more sun than even Tuesday. Again, still though that chance for afternoon showers. By Thursday, the storm finally starts to move out and kind of basically slide to our southeast. That gives us a chance at a bunch more sun. We could still have a very few or a quick pop-up shower, but for the most part, that'll be pretty insignificant by Thursday. It'll be a lot warmer on Thursday with the sun. We'll be up in the mid-80s as opposed to kind of low to mid-70s, which we're going to be in the next few days. And then Friday, a front tries to move through late in the afternoon with a few showers, and we're near 80. We're going to be pretty muggy all week. I mean, that's one of the unfortunate side effects of this. Best outdoor day this week is definitely Thursday. Friday should be pretty good too. But don't take this as it's going to rain raining nonstop from now through Wednesday. Like I said, these are going to be pop-up showers. There's going to be lots of clouds, but they're not going to be. It's not going to happen all the time. So don't think this is a total washout of a week. There actually should be some halfway decent weather even today, tomorrow, and Wednesday in between some of the showers. You just got to be ready for a shower basically anytime, or at least pull up your radar on your smartphone or whatever, take a quick look and see, is it going to rain in the next 20 minutes if I'm going to go out and do something. So, or be prepared to get wet, because that's okay too. Hopefully we will get some rain. I got about a third of an inch of rain at my house over the last couple of days, so we could still use some more rain. Remember, I do these forecasts twice a week. I do forecasts twice a week. I do a work week forecast on Monday mornings at 7 a.m. and I do a weekend forecast that my patrons get a day early. They get it on Thursday. Everybody else gets it on Friday. I'm going to move that up a day this week. I'll put out a Facebook post about that so that my patrons will get that forecast on Wednesday. Everybody else Thursday, since this is July 4th weekend. It's kind of most everybody's got a 3-day weekend at least this weekend. If you want to become a patron, here's what you get from that. You get early access to the weekend forecast. You get a chance to win bread each month. You get customized individual forecasts if you send me an email or text me about those. And thank you to my patrons who help support the work that I do. We'll be back again Thursday for my non-patrons, Wednesday for my patrons, with the weekend forecast a day early this week because it's a holiday weekend. Try to enjoy, and hopefully that rain will help the gardens out. We'll see you soon.